Prime Brawl Stars is coming back? I saw this image of a vicious cycle where every time one of Supercell's game is having a downfall, players are migrating to the other Supercell game. It happened back in 2024 when Clash Royale was at a massive decline, and many players started Brawl Stars, which was at an all-time peak. But then next year, once we got questionable updates and changes, players and content creators hopped back on Clash Royale, which happens to be now on an all-time peak. But now with their latest update, they introduced Heroes and Level 16. However, players absolutely hate that update. So you know what that